Hi friends, my name is Ryan, and today I'm on a bench with my friend Ashley. So we are in Black History Month, and I was just talking with Ashley about one of her friends who's doing really important work right now. Who are we talking about?
My friend Anwar. So he fights for social justice every day. So he's a school administrator, and his focus is on equity and restorative justice. So he works with different communities, Latino community, Caucasian community, African American community, and talks about the importance of working based on people's advantages and disadvantages and how to make things level playing field.
That's super cool. I especially love the term restorative justice. What does that mean?
So restorative justice is rebuilding, taking things that are broken, using those things and building them up.
Like relationships and like property, like the things that get damaged when things are unjust. I like that restorative justice is about restoring it, like putting it back together. It's not just about keeping good things over here and bad things over here, but finding a way to get back together.
Yeah, finding a way to bridge gaps, and finding a way to break stereotypes and to create new connections.
I like that. One of the things that I think that we get confused about with Black history sometimes is thinking that all of the important work that needed to be done was in the past. But there's still work that needs to be done right now. I like that MR is doing that.
Yeah, he's awesome.
That's super cool. Well, friends, until I see you next time, do the work of restoring the community and bringing things back together. And be fantastic.